Do you want to be able to use a voice changer for your Instagram story? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can use it, but it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. The first step is going to be for us to come to our Instagram app, and as you can see, I'm currently on my Instagram app right here. So what I need to do in here is to firstly click on the plus symbol, and that is in the top right corner. So click on the plus symbol, because then you should be taken here. What I'm going to do in here is to just click where it says story. So I'm going to click on story in here. Now I'm just going to click on camera so I can be taken to this page right here, as you can see. So basically what we're going to do now in here is to just scroll this one to the right. So scroll all the way to the right in here until you can see where it says browse effects. Click here, because then you should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. What I'm going to do in here is to click on the search symbol. So click on the search symbol. Now we're going to search like this: voice effects. So search for voice effects and click on the first one here, right here, as you can see. And as you can see, when you do select voice effects, as you can see, record to change your voice. And that is basically exactly how you can do it. You can now start playing this one. You can like always swipe this one to the right if you want to. So you can always basically swipe this one to the right, to the left, and change what kind of voice that you want to be able to change to, basically. So this is exactly how to do this. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.